Question is, when Arabs under Muhammad bin Qasim reached Babel? Answer is 712.
Raja Dahir was ruler of Sindh during the dynasty Umayyad. How old is Urdu language?
400 years.
Who established Urdu Defense Society? Nawab Mohsin Ul Mulk. Who was the first Secretary General of Congress? A.O. Hume. All India National Congress was a social organization. Who changed it into political organization? Lord Differin. 7. Who became the first judge of Calcutta? H.C. Syed Amir Ali. 8. When Syed Amir Ali founded the Central National Mohammedan Association?
1877.
9. When Lord Curzon became the Viceroy of India?
1899.
10. Which city became the center point of agitation of Bengal? Calcutta.